On World of Trucks, it's monster trucks in the air, on the ground, over the jumps, and into your living room. Next. It's the 20th anniversary of the four-wheel jamboree from the Allen County Fairgrounds in Lima, Ohio. Hello, everyone. I'm Claude Wood, and welcome to the World of Trucks. What a special program we have designed for you today. Let's take monster trucks, put them out there on an S-shaped course on mud. Mud because it's rained for a couple of days here in Lima. Colder temperatures today, only in the mid-50s. Earlier, I was talking to one of the drivers, and I said, "What are you going to do to fight the weather conditions?" And he said, "Pray." Well, we'll see. It's not only going to be a tuner's battle, it's going to be a battle of the best driver. Monster trucks right out there. Now, with more on what makes up a monster truck, let's bring in Doc Riley.
Monster trucks have one thing in common, and that is 66-inch tires. Other than that, you run what you brung on these deals. Whether it's the big Dodges, the Avenger, the Big Dog, or the original monster truck, that baby right there, Bigfoot. Now, it's wearing Summit on the side, but the 30th anniversary of this truck is coming up fast. 66-inch tires and a minimum weight of 9,500 pounds. The engine in the back, they're all supercharged engines. They're all running on racing alcohol. They'll all have at least 2 shocks on each one of the corners, and there's an awful lot of things that you can do rebound-wise with those shocks. The driver's compartment, very Spartan by any imagination, but really the key to the monster trucks, 66-inch tires, and a whole lot of horsepower in the back. Now at Lima here, we've had a little bit of mud, and that has caused some problems in some other classes of racing. How it will affect the monsters? We will see as this edition of Monster Truck Thunder Drags unfolds.
Thanks, Doc, and to get today's program underway, you see the ladder. We'll see Doug Nolke out of Union, Missouri. He will face Kirk Dabney. It's Monster Patrol against Big Dog. Joining me in the booth today, our expert analyst, Rick Carlson.
Doug Nolke driving the Big Dog Ford, the excitable boy and electrician. One of the top weekend warriors in monster truck racing. Kirk Dabney driving the Monster Patrol, moved from Fort Wayne, and he's here in Lima, and the pressure is on to perform well. I don't know what he's going to do. That Big Dog looks like he's going to chew him up now. Good lead for the Ford.
And Rick, really no ET or elapsed time will be given today. It's whoever crosses the finish line first, he will be your winner.
That Big Dog, Doug Nolke taking the win.
And to find out how the run went down in the pits today, let's check in with Doc Riley.
A first round win, it was clean and nice. How's the track?
Oh, the track came around, man. Yesterday we had a lot of rain here, but it's drying out, so it's been a while since we did a big S course like this. It's a lot of fun, man. You get to drive this thing, so it takes all the, straight drag racing out of it where guys got to actually drive these things. So felt pretty good about that race. I got a few tenths I need to take off here and there, but I think it'll be all right next round.
And it's time now for the Rammunition Dodge that will be driven by Jeremy Dishman, and he will face John Seesock in the T-Max Ford.
And T-Max Ford, longtime monster truck drivers John Seesock, formerly the old Sudden Impact. Oops, they're getting around there together. Jeremy Dishman, the Rammunition Dodge, one of the drivers in the Dodge camp, going to be a great shoe in the future. Picked up his first series win earlier this year. Watch him come around that last corner. Rammunition trying to catch up.
And Rick will pay attention today as Doc brought out in his open there. A lot of muddy conditions here, and that will have to do with the tune-up as Jeremy Dishman takes the winner of that run.
Claude, Jeremy Dishman was the winner. The reason being T-Max got there first, but on the left of your screen, you're going to see T-Max take out one of the boundary markers. You do that, there it was, automatic disqualification.
Let's go down and check in with Doc Riley. He's with our winner.
Boy, what a round win right there. Things are just nuts here in Lima, aren't they?
Oh yeah, this is my first turning course, so it's pretty interesting. I got plenty of Hemi power in my Dodge here, so it's kind of, I got plenty of power to chase them down. It's just getting through the cones without knocking anything over.
World of Trucks is being brought to you by Stainless Steel Brakes. Performance brakes built right by Stainless Steel Brakes. and by Lund. Get the look.